Lochani guys, namhlanje sinodade Kangala eNewtown wakwaMashilwane ngubani?
Mthebise ngimashilwane umvizi.
Yeah, mvezi kusivukile, mvezi kusidichile. Yeah.
It's about to go back.
Sinembuzo embali sifuna ukukubuza yona engakavezwa nguwe. Ready mos?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Which radio station did you grow up listening to?
Ikwekwezi FM.
And give me 3 of your all-time presenters. Ngaphandle kwami, of course.
Busai Matebula.
Yeah.
King B. And also Arvin.
Oh, okay.
Akukho mnyama kukhanya ba.
Ngibasizile ngokuthi ngaphandle kwami. And give me 2 of the biggest radio stations in Mpumalanga.
In Mpumalanga, it's Ikwekwezi FM and Gwala FM.
Can you name the big 5 animals?
Yeah. Big 5.
Yes.
Lion. Ne? Okay. Buffalo. Elephant. It's big. And what else? Tiger. And rhino. Yeah, and rhino. Yeah.
Total one.
Okay, I don't know the other one.
Wow. Back to Limpopo.
Which animal dies after eating chocolate?
You. It's a snake.
Wakwasiphi chocolate? That's a new trick. Yawukhulula lenyoka uyizise i-chocolate izokufa. What language do blind people speak?
Blind people. They speak. Is it a sign language? Yeah, sign language.
If I'm 40 and you are 42, who's the oldest?
42. It's the one who's 42.
What is the cleanest part of the body?
The cleanest part. It's the nose.
Hey, well, guys, I did not know this.
Because every now you do.
Yeah, it's clean, man. It's the nose.
Which is longer between 2 hours and 90 minutes?
It's 2 hours.
What is the opposite of the word up?
It's down.
Left?
Right.
Sorry?
Sorry. Yo, I don't know.
What is the biggest radio station in Limpopo?
Limpopo. It's Thobela FM.
Spell me.
M-E.
Spell it again.
M-E.
Now ulihlanganisa ulithini?
Me.
Perfect.
Kiwo wonke umkhanyo sonke isikhathi Ikwekwezi FM ikuletha ekhaya kukhanya ba.